Covers, they're both for Huron. Hope you enjoy. Can we switch mics, David?
I think so.
Thanks. You can have the one that is very short, and I'll have the one that's very tall. This one's called the Yawning Grave. We did this a couple Mondays ago. We're doing it a key down, so I think it's going to sound a little better. So
What's it called?
it's called the Yawning Grave.
Oh.
The Yawning Grave.
Sounds like one that you'd like after the last song.
Yeah.
I know the rain like the clouds know the sky. I speak to birds and tell them where to fly. I sing the songs that you hear on the breeze. I write the names of the rocks and the trees. Oh, you feel their rules, I am coming for you. Darkness brings evil things, all reckoning begins. I tried to warn you when you were a child. I told you not to get lost in the wilds. I sent you on into all kinds of signs. I taught you melodies, part of